there it is, a tissue paper flower. You can paint it or spray it whichever favorable color you want, but for me a white one and green will do. Hello unique people, this is Unique Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my unique YouTube channel where I get to share ideas and techniques. Have you checked this video, how I made this flower, paper flower? Have you? And this one, did you check them out? Me too. And this one here, did you check them out? You need to check them out, please. So today we're going to do you can see this is a piece of tissue paper in front of me, so I'm going to cut them into pieces, 4 pieces, so there are 4 sections, so I'll put them together. Just align them, make sure they're well aligned. Okay, now so we're going to start. We're going to fold these like that, this like that, then like that, like that. So remember there were 4 pieces, so that basically means there are 8 plies now in them. And then you can hold them like that, but we're going to tie a wire, this wire here. If you're able to get a softer wire, the better. So we have these here. So the only thing we need to do is to start opening them out one after the other. Remember I told you there are 8. So slowly open them out. One side after the other. So this is how to make tissue paper flowers. This is the first way. There are many other ways of making tissue paper flowers which I'll be showing, but this is the first one. So you open them out. You can decide to trim them when they're like this or later on. So me, I choose to trim them later after I've opened them out. So I'm going to continue opening all of them out, and then you'll have the final product. This is pretty easy, and if I had colored tissue paper it will be more colorful, so whatever I'm using is white. We'll see if I can be able to get other colors and show you how colorful that can be. Just open them out. From a distance you can tell. So this is how it looks when you open it up fully. So if you feel this is too much, you can take a pair of scissors and trim them. So like now I'll hold like that. Just try to trim the ends. there you go. So what I want to do is I want to coat this with a green paper, pick the other way around. So just to add color to the flower, now that the tissue is white. And of course, we know most of the time the stalk is green. Yeah. So I have this small leaves I'm going to stick to the stalk.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
That.
From a distance you can tell.
I told you it could have been even better if so there is tissue paper flower, tissue paper flower. So this one side it doesn't look straight here, so you just trim it like that. So there it is, a tissue paper flower. You can paint it or spray it whichever favorable color you want, but for me a white one and green will do. So thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and share these with as many. God bless you.